Alright guys, Rach here. I am going to talk about one of the coolest little tools that I have found and I've been using for the past few weeks, and it has made my email marketing campaigns conversion rate through the roof. This is one of the simplest ways that you can personalize your email list and get your email followers to fall in love with you. It is going to blow their mind when they open their email. So let me show you an example. Okay, I'm going to just call out one of my favorite marketers on the planet, Peng Joon. I absolutely love him. But I'm going to show you the difference between the normal way of sending an email and then the trickified way of sending the same email. So let me show you. Okay, so this is the email that I received from Peng about his social media codex calendar, which is simply magnificent, and I am getting it. So it's the typical text email, and this is the Rachified email way. Boom. Okay, so it's the same email. I just trickified it with my little magic tool called LivePick in Marketer Magic, the coolest program. It has 17 little programs in it that totally make your marketing life and online digital life happiness. So let me ask. You get this email and you're like, yeah, that's cool. Alright, just skim, go through your 1,000 emails that you got, swipe. Or you get this email, and it's Peng going, hey Rach, I've been talking about it for the past few days, it's already here. You're going to stop, right? And you're going to be like, damn, look what he did. He sent me a pic of him with my name on it. Like, yeah, I'm going to buy this thing. Boom. Convert. So that is a little program called LivePick that can do that for you. So hey, Peng, you need my program. I can hook you up. Don't worry about it. I'm going to show you how to set it up and how it works from beginning to end. So, okay, I'm going to go into my LivePick here in my Marketer Magic program. 17 of the freaking coolest tools on the planet. Okay. So you'll see I have, some campaigns I was playing around with. I have a dentist demo one. We can use that if you want. So they have some templates in here. Yeah, kind of ugly, but they work if you need them. So let's say we're going to do a birthday campaign. All right, and you can upload your own. Alright, so, and we can, oops, that didn't work. Alright, so let me show you. So you click here in the edit snippet and you can say happy birthday. And you can change the variable default. So if you don't have the person's first name or full name or whatever variable you choose, and I'll show you how to do that. You can say my friend. I think that kind of sounds kind of weird, so you can say happy birthday my friend. Yeah, for that it kind of actually sounds okay, but you can change it. Like, I have a campaign where I just have it, hey, Rach here, because I couldn't put the person's first name. So move that there. You can make it as big as you want so it fits. Alright, I'm going to change. Alright, so I move the kitty cat. Alright, so this is just a little quirk with the program. So if you change the text, it automatically goes to this, and you're like, okay, that's not Indie Flower, but you got to click on it. All right, and all right, so we got that. We got happy birthday, variable first name. Right now it's set for ActiveCampaign, but it works with Aweber, Constant Contact, MailChimp. It works with all of these, ClickFunnels. I'll show you in ClickFunnels how to do it, because there's a little way that you have to do it that the normal way it doesn't work, so you have to do like a hackified way. All these others, Shopify, Drip, and custom. So I was playing around with it with Gmail and the not Gmail, the G Suite and the Mail Merge, and I was able to get it to work, but I didn't want to pay for the extra service because I pay for enough. So custom, all you got to know is the Mail Merge tags, and they're different. So each one is different. A lot of them, some of them are the same, some are different. Like ClickFunnels is different. So I'm going to change it from email, so I want their first name in there, and we'll have that. Alright, so I'm going to generate the code. Alright, so I'm going to take the HTML and I'm going to go into ClickFunnels, and okay, so you have to, oops, I don't want to do that. I just want to add in a code, JavaScript custom HTML code, third party. Open the code editor, paste it in there. Hoorah, that's done. Okay. So that is in there. Save it. Okay, so now we're going to copy the link. Okay, so if you were like using ActiveCampaign or MailChimp, or wherever they have, then you could just use the HTML code, but because ClickFunnels doesn't have that capability, so you have to do it a hackified way. Alright, so if you're using follow-up funnels, or you're using send an email straight from here, it's the same exact way. So I'm going to do create an email. Happy birthday. Alright, everyone. So if you have the version, the 297 version for ClickFunnels, then you can save your templates and things like that, but we'll just do it from scratch. So alright, just use one of these. Already has something in there. So what I'll do, alright, so what we do is we're gonna add an image, and then here is where we click put the image that we got. Yeah, it's freaking huge. You can get in here and you can make it, let's just say 320. So, see, makes it smaller. And save it and close it. Boom, bam. So see how this shows up? Wasn't sure if that was going to happen. So let's go back into the funnel. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to hide that. So it's still in there and it doesn't show up. Alright, so you click on it and then you come down here and you see the little eyeball, you just hit hide. So it's still there, but it's hidden. Secret hacking trick. Alright, so I'm going to bring up the URL again. Okay, there we go. So now it's hidden. Alright, so I'm going to put in my name. And you know what? I'm going to put in my daughter's name, Maya. And put in that. 33 for testing purposes. Alright, boom. I don't have a thank you page on it, so it just goes right back to that. Okay, so just got the email in. Here it is. Happy birthday, Maya. And the email. So that makes a really cool campaign too, if you think about it. You know, some birthday coming up, you do Facebook ad targeted right at their birthdays. You send them to your opt-in page. Say here, claim your free birthday coupon. And then this is the first email they get saying happy birthday with their name on it. Man, you got a customer for life. So I just had to pass this on to you guys because it is super cool and it makes a huge difference and you need it, period. End of story. You know how many more conversions you're going to get from your email marketing and your list is going to love you even more? Come on, it's a freaking no-brainer. So have a great day. Ciao, bye.